My dear students, my dear children, I have told you how you can improve your performance by listening others. So today's topic I have given you, that is accidents, and you have to focus on the regions and solutions of accidents, which is very common thing. And first, listen to others, and then you can write down the important points, so that at the time of speaking you can use them. So this is my suggestion to you. And first of all, I am calling Harshit.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
go
Hello.
Harshit.
everyone. Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit Mourya. I'm the student of Raman Online Interactive Classes.
Hmm,
Today's my topic is accidents.
hmm,
As we can see in today's world, that accidents are very common, and every second we can see that many accidents take place all over the world.
hmm,
And there may be many reasons for accidents,
hmm.
like overspeeding. If we drive or ride our vehicles fast, and suddenly anything comes aside of us, then
Before
at the
us,
time
before us, हाँ कोई
before
बात नहीं, बोलते रहो, हाँ.
before us, and then at the time able to uh, we are not able to think anything, and we use brakes suddenly,
Hmm.
and there are many reasons to like drinking and driving, crossing vehicles without indicators,
Hmm.
and over speeding, and changing our lane without giving the indicators to
Hmm. Shabash.
the vehicle.
Very good.
The things which may cause accidents,
Hmm.
and we know that we are very important for our
शाबाश,
parents,
बहुत बढ़िया, हाँ.
and if we ride our vehicles fast, and if there is anything serious, then it will not be acceptable for our parents. They would take too much burdens,
Hmm.
and if they are too busy in their life, and they would take if they would take tensions, then there may be many reasons for their health hazards.
Hmm.
And uh, and nowadays we can see that many accidents are taking place.
Hmm.
We can take example of yesterday, as
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस. इसीलिए मैंने बताया था कि आप मेंशन करो कोई भी ऐसी चीज है तो उसको. वेरी गुड, बहुत, देखो आपकी स्पीकिंग बहुत अच्छी. शाबाश, कम ऑन बेटा, कैरी
yes
ऑन.
as we can see in Ajmer there was a very hazardful situation, because at the time there was very big accident, and many people died in that situation,
वर किल्ड,
and
नॉट
many.
डाइड, वर किल्ड, मार दिया गया उनको. मैं तो कहता हूँ उनकी हत्या हो गई एक तरीके से, चाहे किसी की वजह से भी हुई है, कहीं ना कहीं पर जो भी इसके जिम्मेदार हैं उन लोगों ने. यस, आगे बोलो बेटा. हम्म.
Were died in this accident,
हम्म.
and take this and if we see the solutions of these accidents, then there are many reasons that we should drive or ride our vehicles at the limitation
हम्म.
which are at side of the roads,
हम्म.
and we should not cross the signals,
हम्म.
and we must not drink and drive,
हम्म.
because in situation we are not able to think anything, and
शाबाश.
if we drive our vehicles, then there may be a hazardful situations,
हम्म.
and sometimes we can see that uh, there are सर गड्ढे को क्या कहेंगे.
डिग्स, पिट्स कह सकते हो आप.
Okay, sir. There are pits, and due to them, someone's bikes or cars may fall, and this may cause serious problems.
हम्म.
And you can see in nowadays, as we can see that in newspapers there are uh, many news
मैंने
pieces
न्यूज,
of news
हाँ शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. पीसेस ऑफ, ऐसे ध्यान रखो बस, हाँ.
in newspapers, and those we can say that there are many accidents because of the people, because they drive their vehicles fast,
हम्म.
they cross the signals, and they don't use the traffic rules, and uh, we should keep uh, we should keep uh, we should keep this in our mind, that our family is waiting for us, so we should ride our vehicles at a limited speed, and we should follow the traffic rules. uh, that's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा बोला बेटा, वेरी गुड। सिंपल सा बोला, बहुत अच्छा बोला। ऐसे ही आप लोगों को बोलना है बस, नथिंग टू वरी। यस, कम ऑन। गौरव, गौरव, बहुत ध्यान से, धीरे धीरे बोलना, तसल्ली से, ग्रामर का ध्यान रख करके, ओके?
Yes, sir.
यस, कम ऑन।
Ankur, and my today's topic is accidents. Accidents are very common in this world, and there is an accident. There is an accident every second, I think.
शाबाश।
And accidents are some are very serious and some are small, but we can say that accidents are very dangerous for our health,
शाबाश,
and we can injured very
बैडली, हाँ।
badly from accidents. That we can take examples of many accidents like train accidents, and there was a train accident in Jaipur railway station. Two people were killed because they fell on the tracks. They fell on the tracks and the train crossed on them. And we can also take an example of yesterday, two trucks.
Focus on the regions and solutions.
Yes, sir.
Hurry up, हाँ।
We can take example of yesterday. There was an accident between two trucks and many people was killed.
Were killed, हाँ।
Were killed. And there are many reasons for accidents like drinking and driving, and overspeeding, and talking on phone while driving, and talking while driving, and there are many reasons, and like the quality of roads, condition of roads, weather conditions, the vehicle's condition, and other things. And accidents also depends on the experience of the driver in driving. And there are many solutions that we have to follow. We should follow traffic rules, and we should follow the speed limit, and we should only choose good roads. And accidents are very deadly, and we have to be aware of these, and if there is not our fault, so we see anyone breaking these rules, so we have to complain for it to the police department. Thank you, sir.
वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा बोला बेटा। एग्जाम्पल्स अपने को देने चाहिए, लेकिन कब? पहले अपनी बात शुरू करते हैं अपन, उसके बाद बीच बीच में अपन कोई एग्जाम्पल दे सकते हैं, है ना बेटा? ये अपनी राइटिंग के समय भी ध्यान रखनी है आपको ये चीज। स्टार्टिंग में एग्जाम्पल से नहीं शुरू करना चाहिए अपने को। कभी भी अपन कोई भी टॉपिक पे लिख रहे हैं या बोल रहे हैं तो पहले उस टॉपिक के बारे में बोले थोड़ा सा, जैसे हर्षित भैया ने बोला। सो फर्स्ट ही टोल्ड what about accidents and solution, then he gave the examples of this. So वो ज्यादा इफेक्टिव होता है फिर, है ना बेटा? तो स्पीकिंग भी क्या है बेटा, एक आर्ट है, लिसनिंग भी एक आर्ट है, डेवलप करो धीरे धीरे, ओके? शाबाश, नाइस परफॉर्मेंस। कोमल।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Komal Verma and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from Batch 11, and today my topic is accident. We all know that in all over the world, accidents take place, and there are many accidents, and in our Bharat, there is a lot of population, and all people go to their workplace here and there, evening to morning.
वेरी गुड, हाँ।
And in our Bharat there are many highways, streets, roads, etc. And that highways and roads is never stay empty, because many people go here and there
शाबाश,
for
बहुत
their
बढ़िया।
jobs, work,
हाँ।
etc. And in our Bharat, in our Bharat, there are many accidents, and for accidents there are many reasons, like drive and ride high at high speed, unfollow traffic rules, and bad road condition,
शाबाश,
drink and drive,
very good.
uh,
हाँ,
don't put helmets and seat belts
बहुत बढ़िया,
also.
very good, very good.
Use
हाँ,
at the time of ride and drive, use mobile phone, talking everywhere, and don't have concentration to drive
बहुत
and
बढ़िया,
ride.
शाबाश.
And there are seasons also, reason to have accident, and winter season is most
बहुत बढ़िया बोला,
reason.
बहुत बढ़िया.
And
लिख सकते हो
because
आप, विंटर सीजन भी एक रीजन होता है. हाँ, बोलो बोलो बोलो.
yes, sir. And that reasons are very bad for accidents, and because if we drive at high speed, we don't have concentration, and at that time we have chances to accident. And we if we don't follow traffic rules, there are many people on the roads, and that time we have many chances to an accident. And road condition in our Bharat, there are many streets and roads, road condition is also badly. And and our Nagar Nigam don't put good roads, so that reason is also main for taking place accident. And there are many solution to an accident. We should follow traffic rules, and we don't drink and drive. We should drive and ride at limited speed, and we should drive and ride at a right way on the road. And we should put helmet at the time of ride, and we should put seat belt at the time of drive. And we should not use our mobile phone at the time of drive and ride also. And we have to concentration on the road to drive and ride. And in the winter season, there are much fog at the time of evening and early morning. So we should have to concentration to drive. And we have an example to that
Of
accident, because yesterday in the Ajmer, there was an accident, and that condition was very critical. And many people were killed, and many people were burned at that time. And on the spot, there was many people killed. And policemen and firemen also that time here to सर बुझाने को क्या बोलेंगे,
to blow out.
to blow out that fire. And many people many people were helped there. And we should follow all rules. And we should not unfollow that rules. And we should drive and ride at limit speed, and we should follow that rules. And we all know that yesterday there were many people killed, and our government gave money to their families. But money is not all thing,
शाबाश.
because from money that person not come in that
Cannot come
in
back.
their
Yes,
life.
very good, very good.
And so we can say that money is not all thing for that families. And we should pray that persons. That's it, sir.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. सुनना बेटा जरूर अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग है ना. बहुत बढ़िया बोला बेटा, वेरी गुड. ग्रामेटिकल का रहता है, थोड़ा सा और फोकस होगा ना, सुनोगे जब तुम और ठीक हो जाएगा थोड़ा सा। बाकी अपन लोग कोशिश कर ही रहे हैं ना। यस, कम ऑन तनिष।
Yes, sir. So today my topic is accident. As we know that in our India, accidents are very common. There are many reasons of accident, like people call with people anywhere and listen musics and drive car fast, and roads are not good,
शाबाश, हाँ बोलते
and
रहो, बहुत बढ़िया बोल रहे हो। हाँ,
traffic rules. People don't follow traffic rules. Indicate and people when we people turn our car, and then they don't give the indicator. And winter season is also the reason of accidents, and animals is also. If our parents drive car fast, so we should suggest our parents, then parents slow drive car slow, and and we should not listen the music when we drive a car,
शाबाश शाबाश, हाँ।
and we follow the traffic rules,
You should
and
follow, हाँ बहुत बढ़िया।
we should follow the traffic rules, and we should not call with anyone, then we drive a bike and a car, and we should not drink, then we drive a car
While driving car, कोई बात नहीं, बोलो आगे बोलो।
while driving car, and we should put the helmet, and we should take shell, सर वो क्या बोलते हैं उसे, सीट बेल्ट.
You should wear या put on
We
seat
should-
belt. Wear use कर लो।
We should wear seat belt when we drive a car, and we can say that yesterday there was an accident. In this accident, many people were killed, and many people are burned, and there are many cars. They are also burned, and if fire accident is very dangerous, so we put a fire extinguisher in our house, and
शाबाश शाबाश।
and when we go on a long drive, so we check our car.
We should check our car, बोलो बोलो, घबराओ मत।
We should check our car, and we clean our car, because in the mirror there are many soil, and in winter season there are many, sir ओस को क्या बोलते हैं, dew, so we erase that, and we should drive car slowly. Yes sir, that's it.
Very good, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा। रिकॉर्डिंग जरूर सुनना बेटा आपने को, है ना। शाबाश। यस, कम ऑन कबीर।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kabir. I am the student of Rambad English Interactive Classes from batch P18. Today's my topic is accident. As we know that there are many accidents take place in overall the world.
शाबाश।
They like people like sometimes people die for their silly mistakes. Like sometimes they on the gas and don't off the gas. Sometimes people touch the switch which is on, and they become die for by electricity. There are so many accidents. Like sometimes people drive their vehicles very fastly.
fastly नहीं, आगे बोलो।
very fast, by which they they can do anything when anything come on their
बोल बोल बोल
सर सामने को क्या कहते हैं?
बिफोर
Before them. Sometimes they die for the traffic rules because they don't follow the traffic rules, like they don't follow the traffic lights, by which they become die. They don't drive their vehicles concentration by concentration. Sometimes they die because sometimes they don't wear helmets, and four-wheeler people don't wear seat belts. Like we can also take example of yesterday,
हाँ शाबाश
because they die because two truck भिड़ने को क्या कहते हैं सर?
कोलाइडेड
क्या सर?
कोलाइडेड
Two truck collided
टे नहीं डेड कोलाइडेड हाँ डेड है बेटा टे नहीं है डे है वो आगे बोलो आप छोड़ दो उसको
and there are many people die by this accident. There are many vehicles blast, and there are many people die. So we should not drive our vehicles by drink alcohol. Mostly truck people drive their vehicles by drink alcohol.
भाई मतलब ड्रिंकिंग अल्कोहल हम बोलो आप बोलो कोई बात नहीं हाँ
And we should follow the traffic rules.
शाबाश छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस बोलो ऐसे ध्यान से धीरे धीरे फोकस करो हाँ
We should not do silly mistakes. And try to drive our vehicle properly. Yes sir, that's it.
शाबाश बहुत बढ़िया Yes, now I am calling Rakshit. Come on, Rakshit, where are you? Yes.
Yes, sir.
सुनना सब ध्यान से थोड़ा सा हाँ बोल बेटा
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Akshit Maurya, and today I am telling about accidents. As we all know that accident is a major problem of the world, and because there are many accidents causes all over the world daily, and many people are died and gets injured in the accidents, and accident and in an accident anything can be happened. A person can die or can get injured badly, so we should be careful of accidents. And as for the example, we can take the example of yesterday that in Jaipur on the Ajmer road, and a big accident took place, in which many people were injured and died by fire, and about 41 vehicles burnt in fire. And this happened because two trucks collided with each other, and that caused fire at that place. And in this case there can be the carelessness of the truck drivers that caused this accident. So we should be careful about this. And there can be many causes of accidents, like drink and drive, not giving indicators while turning, and crossing the limit of running the vehicle at at high speed uh, and uh, and breaking traffic rules, not following traffic lights,
शाबाश
etc.
शाबाश वेरी गुड हाँ
And so and there and so we should look at the solutions of the problem and follow traffic rules, should give indicators while turning, and should not overtake any vehicle, and should follow traffic lights, and drive vehicle at a limited speed,
वेरी गुड
because there is a need to bring the rate of accidents at the level of zero,
वेरी गुड
because because when a person get injured or die in an accident, the whole family of the person gets break down and or destroyed by mentally, and so government and the administration of the country should look at these problems and should make strict laws and should take strict action towards them, like if a person breaks the traffic rules, so he should be fined or should be or should get punishment, strict punishment, and not only the government and administration, but also people should, it is the responsibility of people that for that they should follow the traffic rules made by the government, and can bring down the rate of accidents at the level of zero. So that's it.
वेरी गुड बहुत बढ़िया शाबाश नोट्स कर रहे होंगे आप पॉइंट्स कुछ तो मिले ही होंगे आपको वेरी गुड एंड नाउ आई एम कॉलिंग वैष्णवी कम ऑन वैष्णवी
सर आज का टॉपिक
एक्सीडेंट नाम भी लिख दिया तुमने रीजंस एंड सॉल्यूशंस या तो सुनो अभी थोड़ा सा 2 मिनट आप बिल्कुल लेट आए आप और एकदम से
सर
आपके
वो
नाम लिख दिया आपने तो थोड़ा सुन लेते ना पहले बेटा
सर
बोल लो
मुझे लगा बातों का हो गया होगा इसलिए थोड़ा
नहीं बोल आप बोल लोगे क्या अभी जो चल रहा है टॉपिक उस पे
सर थोड़ा मैं बाद में बोल दूंगी फिर
हाँ वही मैंने कहा है ना बेटा हाँ ओके यस कम ऑन लक्ष्मी सुनो बेटा पहले थोड़ा सा एक नया टॉपिक है तो थोड़ा सा एक बार लक्ष्मी आ जाओ
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today our topic is an accident.
हाँ
And India has much population, and India has many big highways and
शाबाश
big roads,
हाँ
and many accident took place
टेक प्लेस
in the
हाँ
take place in the world,
हाँ
and the people don't follow
हाँ
traffic rules.
शाबाश
They do not see the traffic line. They always remain in hurry,
बहुत बढ़िया हाँ
and they have much work, and they remain
स्ट्रेस्ड
stressed,
हाँ
and
बहुत बढ़िया यार बहुत
and
बढ़िया
they drive car fastly,
हाँ
and they do not use helmet. They drive car. While driving, they talk to each other, and they and
बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो बेटा बस फोकस करके रखो बस पकड़ के रखो ट्रैक से नहीं उतरना है बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो सॉल्यूशन प्रॉब्लम्स भी बता ही दिया सॉल्यूशन पे आ जाओ
and I want to describe the solution. And we should not drink while driving,
शाबाश
and we always follow the traffic rules. We should always follow
हाँ हाँ कोई बात
traffic
नहीं
rules,
हाँ
and we do not drink alcohol,
हाँ बहुत बढ़िया
and we should not drive fastly, That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की तूने, बहुत अच्छा बोला तूने, कोशिश के बहुत अच्छा बोला है। बस पकड़ के रखा करो, ट्रैक से मत उतरा करो, जरा सी भी वो हुआ और फिर मामला खराब हो जाता है ना। हाँ बाकी बहुत अच्छा, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छे वर्ड्स वगैरह भी बहुत अच्छे यूज किए, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की तुमने, शाबाश। हाँ भैया आ जाओ, अब कौन आ रहा है? यस, हरी अप, नहीं बोलना, क्लोज कर दो।
सर मेरा ले रहा है।
हाँ तुम तो, हाँ तुम आओ वैष्णवी पहले, जब तक किसी का नाम आ गया तो ठीक है, नहीं क्लोज कर देंगे भैया, आज क्या हो गया तुम्हारा। चलो आ जाओ, बोल बेटा।
Yes, sir. Good evening, all of you. My name is Vaishnavi. I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18. And today again we have a speaking session. So today
शाबाश।
we have a topic, an accident. In India, you know that many accidents take place
हाँ।
in India, and there are some reasons of that. Some people drink alcohol while they driving
शाबाश।
the car,
हाँ।
and some people does not
डू नॉट, हाँ बोलो बोलो।
some people do not wear the helmet
शाबाश शाबाश।
while
हाँ
while driving,
हाँ हाँ हाँ, ठीक है ठीक है।
biking,
हाँ
and and some people don't follow the traffic rules, and some people do not wear the seat belt. So there are many reasons of the accidents. So the advantages, sorry. So
सॉरी
we
सर।
should
हाँ बोलो 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 बोलो, ठीक है सही आ गया बिल्कुल, बोलो।
so we should follow the traffic rules, and we should wear the helmet, and we should तो सीट बेल्ट को लगाना क्या बोलते हैं?
वी शुड वेयर सीट बेल्ट।
We should wear the seat belt, and we should not use the mobile phone while driving the car,
हाँ हाँ ठीक है।
and we should not overtake to the others, and we should not drive the vehicle. So in the last, I want to say that we should follow the traffic rules carefully. Yes, sir, that's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, बस ऐसी कोशिश करो बस। हाँ ऐसे कोशिश करने से आता है बेटा, आज जितने भी लोग अच्छे से कर रहे हैं तो वो ऐसे ही कर रहे हैं बेटा, शुरू शुरू में सबके साथ होता है, इसलिए घबराना नहीं चाहिए बेटा, है ना। यस रश्मि आ जा बेटा।
यस सर। सर मैं कैमरा ऑफ करके बोलूं, मेरी आवाज क्लियर नहीं
बोल
दी
ले
है
बेटा,
सर।
बोल ले बेटा, बोल बेटा।
People do not wear sorry sir. Good evening everyone. My name is Rashmi and my topic is accidents. People do not wear helmet while driving bike.
ऐसे नहीं, देयर आर मेनी रीजंस ऑफ एक्सीडेंट्स, थोड़ा ऐसे शुरू करो, एकदम से शुरू होने से कैसे काम चलेगा।
There are many reasons to accidents in our India. There are many highway roads. So we drive vehicles carefully. People do not wear helmet while driving bike. Because of this, there is a possibility of serious head journey. Injury.
हाँ घबराओ मत, आराम से बोलो। हाँ
Some people drink alcohol while driving vehicles. Many people violate traffic rules while driving vehicles.
many people while driving the vehicles in high speed.
Hmm.
Many drivers do not concentration and not to wear seat belt
Hmm.
while driving the vehicles.
Hmm.
These are the reasons, and our solutions are:
Hmm.
we should wear helmet because there are less chances of serious head journey.
Head injury.
Injury, sorry.
Hmm.
We should always follow traffic rules because there is a less chance of having an accident.
Hmm.
We should wear seat belt and take concentration while driving the vehicles.
Hmm.
We should not drive vehicles on wrong way.
Hmm. एफर्ट्स करो, बस घबराओ मत.
On wrong way. We should follow traffic rules and traffic lights because of these the less chances of having an accident.
Hmm.
That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड. इस टॉपिक पे लिखना है सभी लोगों को. B20 वाले जो भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको यही टॉपिक है सेल्फ राइटिंग के लिए. ओके, अच्छे से लिखना थोड़ा. ओके, यस नाउ खुशी गुजर.
Yes, sir.
आजा बेटा.
Topic: traffic rules. Sorry,
एक्सीडेंट्स.
accidents.
हाँ.
Accidents are many common in the world.
Hmm.
There are many reasons of accident.
हाँ हाँ.
Bus accident, like bus accident, train accident, other vehicles accident.
हाँ हाँ.
Most of the accident happened on the highway roads.
घबराओ मत, बोलते जाओ. हाँ.
Some people don't follow traffic rules, so accident happened.
बोलो बोलो.
Some people some people some people drink some people drive while drink.
Some people drive. Some people
people
drink
drive
while driving. हाँ, कोई बात नहीं,
while
बोलो आगे.
driving,
हाँ.
so accident happened.
बोलो बोलो, घबराओ
I
मत.
I am telling about solution
हाँ.
of the accident.
हाँ हाँ.
We should
हाँ.
we should follow traffic rules.
हाँ हाँ.
We should wear helmet and seat belt.
हाँ.
We should not speed. We should
not
we
drive
should
vehicles speedily. हाँ बोलो.
speedily.
हाँ.
That's it,
कोई
sir.
बात नहीं बेटा. बहुत बढ़िया. एफर्ट्स करो, बस कोशिश करो. घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है, तो मुझे ही पता है टाइम लगता है चीजों में, है ना. कोशिश करो. आप डर ऐसे ही निकलेगा आपका, झिझक आपकी ऐसे ही निकलेगी. और कोई तरीका है ही नहीं कि जब तक अपन करेंगे नहीं, जब तक डर झिझक कुछ भी नहीं निकलेगा, है ना. हाँ ठीक है, आपने कोशिश की, बस बात खत्म हो गई. और क्या है मधु.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Madhu Kumari Meena. I am the student of Ramban Interactive Classes from Batch 1.
हाँ.
I am telling about accident.
हाँ.
Accident is a common in India. There are many reasons of accidents. People drive car fast. People do not use seat belt.
शाबाश शाबाश, वेरी गुड.
People
छोटे सेंटेंस ऐसे ही. हाँ.
people ride bike fast and without helmet.
बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
Uh, uh, so they do not listen any horn. Sorry, sir.
कोई बात
Line
नहीं,
loose.
कोई बात नहीं, कोई आगे बोलो, आप तो छोड़ो उसको. क्या हो गया? कोई एग्जाम थोड़ी है बोर्ड का कि भैया इसको काट के दोबारा ठीक करो, लिखो तब नंबर आएंगे. आगे कब बोलो, आगे बोलो, घबराओ मत. अपन
People,
प्रैक्टिकल चीजें कर रहे हैं. हाँ, चीजें बिगड़ती हैं,
people,
बनती हैं बहुत बार. हाँ बोलो बेटा.
people use headphone
हम्म.
during the driving,
हम्म.
so they do not listen any horn.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. हाँ.
People do not use traffic rules and traffic lights. Um, so where so they lost
लूज,
lost
लूज, लूज.
lost
हाँ. लूज
lost.
बेटा, लूज. लॉस नहीं होता, बोल तो रहा हूँ, 4 बार मैंने बोल दिया, तू सुन ही नहीं रही मेरी बात को. लूज.
Okay, sir.
हाँ, सुना कर. मैं जब बोलूं तो मैं तभी बोलता हूँ जब मुझे बोलना होता है. हाँ, थोड़ा चुप होकर
Many
सुना करो
family
उससे
members.
क्या बोल रहे हैं. हाँ बोलो.
So they lose many family members in accident. Um, people do नहीं, people drink alcohol in during driving.
शाबाश, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
There are many solution of accident. Um, we should follow traffic rules
बहुत बढ़िया,
and
वेरी गुड. हाँ.
traffic lights properly. Mm, we should see the left and right and uh, go the cross road.
क्रॉस द रोड्स. हाँ.
Cross
कोई
the
बात नहीं, बोल, आगे
road.
बोलो. हाँ.
We should not drink alcohol in during driving. People should not drive fast car and bike. People should not listen loud music in during the driving.
ड्यूरिंग की जगह वाइल भी यूज कर सकते हो, वाइल ड्राइविंग. कोई बात नहीं, बोलो आप.
Okay. And we should use the helmet. In this way, we can save of life.
ना सेव लाइफ. कोई बात नहीं, बोलो, घबराओ
Save
मत.
life.
हाँ.
That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बोला, वेरी गुड. थोड़ा शांत रहे ना, अंदर से घबराए नहीं, हड़बड़ाए नहीं. छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस बना बना के बोलते चले गए बस. हड़बड़ाएंगे, घबराएंगे, हाय क्या होगा, कैसे बोलेंगे, क्या करेंगे, यार क्या टॉपिक दे दिया आज, यार ये क्या. तो फिर तो वो हड़बड़ाहट में, तो फिर पता है, हड़बड़ी में गड़बड़ी सुनी होगी आपने बात. हड़बड़ी में गड़बड़ी, ये हर जगह होती है. हड़बड़ी में गड़बड़ी एक्सीडेंट में भी होती है, और ये भी यहाँ पर भी होती है, हर जगह होती है. हम एग्जामिनेशन में बैठे हुए हैं, हड़बड़ा गए हम तो गड़बड़ कर देंगे हम. तो मन को एकदम शांत रखो, एकदम ज्यादा स्ट्रेस मत लो. सिंपल सी चीज है, आना है 2 मिनट 3 मिनट, अपने पूरा एफर्ट्स करने हैं अपने, ठीक है, बात खत्म. घबराहट नहीं. इस फॉर्मूले को अप्लाई करो आप, फिर देखो क्या आपके रिजल्ट्स आते हैं. यस, कमान मुस्कान.
Good evening, sir.
वेरी
My topic is accident. There are is many accident in India. They, there are many type of accident like do do not follow traffic lights.
नॉट फॉलोइंग ट्रैफिक लाइट्स भी कह सकते थे आप, लाइक नॉट फॉलोइंग ट्रैफिक लाइट्स। कोई बात नहीं, बोल आगे बोल, आगे ध्यान रखना, बस फोकस करो बस। हाँ हाँ।
Do not wearing helmet. Do not drive properly. And many ways.
वेरी गुड। हाँ।
Some people's watch mobile phone on drive.
वाइल ड्राइविंग यूज करो इसको, वाइल ड्राइविंग। हाँ।
So there are many accident.
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड। ऐसे बोलता है छोटे 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 सेंटेंस बना बना के। हाँ।
Some people's driving car fastly. And there are many you should do not we should follow traffic rules always.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। हाँ।
We should wear the helmet and seat belt on driving time. We should not watch mobile phone on drive.
वाइल ड्राइविंग बोला ना मैंने, थोड़ा एक एक दो बार बोल लेगी तो अपने आप आ जाएगा, फोकस कर ले बस। हाँ। बार बार जरूरत पड़ रही हो सिचुएशन की तो एक बार बोल, दो बार बोल लेगी तो अपने आप ध्यान आ जाएगा तेरे को। वाइल ड्राइविंग, बोल आगे बोल।
You should not drink while driving.
वेरी गुड। अब दो तीन बार ऐसे बोल लेगी, अपने आप दिमाग में सेट हो जाएगा। सीधी सी बात है, यही होता है तरीका। मैंने कहा ना, माइंड इज मैग्नेटिक। हाँ।
We should driving car slowly on highways. That's it.
बहुत बढ़िया, कोशिश क्या कर वजह से। हाँ, बिना अड़बड़ाए अच्छा कर रही है। रिकॉर्डिंग जरूर सुनना, रिकॉर्डिंग सुनेगी तो तेरे को अपने आप पता चल जाएगा। माइंड बेटा अपना बहुत इसको यूज करोगे ना तो माइंड क्या, एक सीडी पे ऐसे एक सीडी दिखा दो इसको, बस बाकी सीढ़ियां खुद चढ़ लेगा। दो सीढ़ी दिखा दो, बाकी फिर अपने आप चढ़ लेगा। यूज करो माइंड को बेटा, है ना। यस, खुशी बैरवा।
Good evening, sir.
वेरी गुड इवनिंग।
Today's my topic accident. There are many reasons for accident. We we see accident every day
वेरी गुड।
because because people do not follow traffic rules.
बहुत बढ़िया। सुनो सब लोग ध्यान से। अभी अभी कैसा आपने बोला उसको भूल जाओ। अब कैसा चल रहा है उसको सुनो।
We should not drive after drink.
वेरी गुड। हाँ।
We should not use phone while driving.
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड। हाँ, ऐसे पकड़ते चले जाओ चीजों को। हाँ।
The car. We should not drive fast. We should not drive fast. We should wear seat belt and helmet,
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड। 4 4 शब्दों के सेंटेंस बहुत अच्छा बना रहे हो बेटा, वेरी गुड। हाँ, फोकस, वेरी गुड, नाइस फोकस, शाबाश।
the 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 car should drive slowly.
शुड बी ड्रिवन स्लोली, कोई बात नहीं, आगे बोलो तुम। हाँ,
Yeah, drive slowly. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बोला बेटा, शाबाश। छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस बोले लेकिन बहुत अच्छे बोले, छोटे छोटे ही बोलने चाहिए, थॉट्स लाते जाओ, बोलते जाओ, नाइस परफॉर्मेंस, शाबाश बेटा। घबराना बिल्कुल नहीं है, नेक्स्ट टाइम और अच्छा करने की कोशिश करो बस। यस, कम ऑन काजल।
यस सर। सर मैं ऑफ करके बोलूं, कनेक्टिविटी नहीं आ रही ठीक
बोल
से।
ले बेटा, बोल ले बेटा, बोल ले बेटा।
Good evening. Today my topic is an accident. The accident is a very common thing in India.
हम्म,
There, there are many accidents. There are many types of accident, reasons of accident.
हम्म, हम्म,
Uh, like we don't wear helmet, and the people don't wear seat belt.
हम्म,
The people uh, using while nahi, the people not don't follow traffic rules,
शाबाश शाबाश, हाँ।
and the people drive car fast.
हम्म, हम्म,
Uh,
बोलते जाओ धीरे धीरे, शाबाश, हाँ।
in this way, many families are ruined of accident
शाबाश
from
शाबाश।
of accident.
हम्म,
Uh, we can uh, we can सर रोकना को क्या कहते हैं?
प्रिवेंट।
Prevent many accidents,
हम्म,
like we should wear a helmet,
हम्म,
and we should wear seat belt.
हम्म, हम्म,
Uh, we should not use mobile phone.
हम्म,
Uh, we should follow traffic rules.
हम्म,
Uh, we should not drive car fast.
ठीक है, वेरी गुड।
We
हम्म,
should drive
हम्म,
car. Uh,
हम्म,
we should cross the road carefully,
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया, हाँ।
and we should not run on the road.
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड, अच्छे अच्छे थॉट्स आ रहे हैं, शाबाश। हाँ बेटा।
When the vehicles came on the road,
हम्म,
um,
हम्म,
uh, many many animals reason of the accident
हम्म,
because they came in the front of vehicles suddenly.
वेरी गुड, ऐसे बहुत धीरे धीरे, बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश।
They-
हम्म,
in this way, many accidents became
टेक
नहीं
प्लेस, हाँ,
become
टेक प्लेस हाँ. हम्म.
Um, we should follow traffic rules, and we should not drink when
While
we
driving.
was
हाँ. While driving बात खत्म.
while.
हाँ. हाँ.
That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, ऐसे कोशिश क्या करो. शाबाश. थोड़ा थोड़ा अटका हुआ है ना, सब ठीक खत्म हो जाएगा ये, बस एजिटेशन सब निकल जाएगा. सबका अच्छा है. एफर्ट्स करना बड़ी बात है. एफर्ट्स करना बड़ी बात होती है, ध्यान रखना इस बात को लाइफ में. और जीतते वही हैं जो एफर्ट्स करते हैं, जो कोशिश करते हैं, जो प्रयास करते हैं. ये ध्यान रख लेना बस. बोल बेटा आदित्य.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
वेरी गुड इवनिंग, वेरी गुड इवनिंग. आ गए आप, बोलिए.
Sir, बहुत देख लिया बस.
हाँ मेरे को पता है बेटा, आजा बोल बेटा.
So, hello everyone. My name is Aditya Donawat. I am the student of Ramban online interactive classes from B18.
हम्म.
Today's our topic is accident.
हम्म.
Accident is very big disaster. With the accident, our family make तो कमजोर को क्या बोलेंगे?
मेक मी बिकम वीक. बिकम होगी ना, हो जाती है.
Become weak.
होना थी थोड़ी है, हो जाती है, तो होने के लिए बिकम वीक. हाँ.
Become weak and
हम्म.
and all and all family members and all family members care a person.
देखो ऐसे ऐसे शुरू करना चाहिए, पहले थोड़ा सा बता करके उसके बाद. वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा, शाबाश. आजकल बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस आ रहा है तेरा. वेरी गुड, शाबाश. अगर क्या
There are
पता नहीं. हाँ.
there are many reasons of accident, like some people play music loudly and
बहुत अच्छे से आने लग गया. वेरी गुड. हाँ.
and drink anything and
एनीथिंग. ओके. ठीक है. हाँ. हाँ, हाँ, हाँ.
and don't focus in driving, etc.
बहुत छोटा सा बच्चा, देखो कितना एफर्ट्स कितने अच्छे कर रहा है. हाँ.
जरा आपने तैयार किया तो एफर्ट्स तो सही होंगे.
अरे वाह यार, क्या बात है यार. अरे मजा आ गया तो तेरी बात सुन के यार. शाबाश, वेरी गुड. बोल. नाइस बच्चा यार. हाँ.
There are some accidents, some people die and some admit in a hospital.
वेरी गुड. बहुत बढ़िया. वेरी गुड.
And some people go hell.
Go hell. Go to hell. Okay. हाँ. हाँ.
Also, sometimes people jump out of a car.
अच्छा, वेरी गुड. हाँ. हाँ.
And we wear a helmet always, because without helmet, police take a fine.
Okay. हाँ.
And last I say that our safety is the first duty. Yes, that's
बहुत
it.
बढ़िया यार. आजकल तो तू बहुत अच्छा मस्त बोलने लग गया तो यार. कुछ भी कहे तू यार. है तेरे पापा को सुनाना तेरी रिकॉर्डिंग. देखो पापा, मेरे अंदर इम्प्रूवमेंट हो रहा है. देखो सर क्या कह रहे हैं मेरे लिए. है शाबाश बेटा. वेरी नाइस. नाइस स्पीकिंग ऑफ ऑल. थैंक यू वेरी मच.